Hey, it's Patrick again. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get set up as a provider and create and manage your listings and bookings in your dashboard. Let's get you live in no time. Okay, perfect. So findasale.com. If you haven't signed up yet, go to About, Partners and Providers and follow the instructions to join Find a Sale. If you have joined, we sent you your login details to your email. So go ahead and sign in. Top right corner, enter your login details, remember me. Now, first thing will be to finish setting up your profile. So go to My Account, My Profile, and first thing you want to do is to change your password. And the next thing you can do is you can upload your school logo. You can enter your names and emails in About Me section. What's important is the display name displays the name of your school, not your personal name. Otherwise, it's going to be confusing for your students. About Me, you can introduce your school to the students. This is publicly available for all the students who look at your listings. And what's important is on the bottom, you have FAQ and terms and conditions. So these are the PDFs that you upload, and every listing will display your terms and conditions. Next is your currency and course levels available. This is not something you can change. So if anything is wrong here, and we can change it for you. Right. After this is done, you can go to your dashboard. Dashboard is where all your listings and bookings live. It's also a place where you can see your statistics, your total views, active listings, bookmarks, and stuff like that. But the first step would be to create a new listing. Go Add Listing, and a form will open up for you. So this is where you input all your listing information. So let's go through inputting a mock day skipper sailing course in Antarctica. Listing title would be Day Skipper in Antarctica. Now, every field that has an asterisk is mandatory. And if you hover your mouse over the little question mark, it will give you a tooltip about what exactly should go into this field. Now, sail type, since this is a sailing course and it's a day skipper, it's with the RYA. Skill level is intermediate for day skipper. Language, just select all the languages that apply. It can be English, Spanish, whatever you want. If you're missing a language, shoot me a message, I'll add it for you. Maximum capacity. So this is the capacity of the clients. So on this course, there's going to be maximum of 5 students plus the instructor. So I'm going to put in 5. Climate, it's going to be polar. Course level is RYA Day Skipper. This will help the students with filtering the courses. Vessel type, this is going to be on a sailboat, and it's going to be monohull as well. And the vessel is Boreal 45. Now features. You can denote whether the course or the sail, is intended for people with disabilities, if it's adult only, if mixed group sails, if it's women only. It can be, all-inclusive. If you're missing anything, shoot me a message as well, and we can add it for you. Any keywords that you want to highlight, you can put it here as well. So ours is a test, and that's it for us. With sail dates, so ours will start next Saturday. And you can also select time when it starts so that students know when to arrive. So this one starts at 9 a.m. and it finishes the week after. If your course runs on non-consecutive days, for example over 2 weekends, you can describe it here as well. Now location, and this one is important. With region, you want to select the continent and the ocean the sail takes place on. So in our case, it's going to be Antarctica and it's going to be the Southern Ocean. And you can also select polar regions if you wish to do so. Now, address is super important. We will automatically link your address with the Google reviews for your school or for your business. So it's important you add your business address. It will be Echo Nelson. It will automatically fill in the coordinates. And what's super important is these Google reviews place ID. So this is the sort of internal Google ID of your reviews that we pulled from Google, and we will display your Google reviews straight on your listing. If for any reason you want to input a different address than the address of your business, you then need to manually paste this place ID into your listing. Otherwise, the reviews for the address will display on the listing. Gallery. You want to upload 2 to 6 photos. They should be maximum 1 megabyte each. So select your 4 photos. Let them upload. When they upload, you'll get a check mark. And after all of them are uploaded, you can rearrange the pictures and you can select one as your featured picture. So for example, I'll select this one. It's denoted by the little star. If you have a YouTube video, you can paste the link here as well and we will display it on your listings. Now details. This is the room for your copy to describe your sale to the students. So give them all the information they need. And this is basically where you can sell your sale. I'll just paste in a description that I generated before. Now this is a text editor. So what you can do is you can format it so that it's nice and easy for students to use. Next, pricing and availability. So available spots, this is the amount of spots you want to sell on the platform. So for example, if the capacity is 5, but you already sold 2 places through your own channels, you just put in 3 spots are available, and price per spot, this is in your default currency. So ours is $15.95. Optional extras, for example, private cabin, right? Own cabin, no sharing. You can put a price there as well and enable it. Or maybe you hire oilskins as well. So foul weather gear, oilskins and wellies. Just enter whatever you want, and this would be for 100. Enable it. And when you're all done, click preview. Check that everything is correct and submit listing. You can also view the listing, and this is how the listing appears to your students. So check that everything is fine. By the way, this is your terms and conditions and frequently asked questions. This is where the students can send you a message if they have any questions. They can bookmark the sale and so on. Okay, so it looks like the listing is there. Now let's have a look how to manage it. Now let's imagine you run this day skipper course every other week. If you don't want to input them manually, you can clone this listing to any new dates that you want. So go to My Account, My Listings, and this is where all your listings live. So if you go to Active Listings, this is going to have our new listing. We can see that 3 out of 3 spots are available. And if I want to clone this to new dates, click Clone, select the new dates. Okay, so this is going to be from the 26th, apply, until the 3rd, apply, and then press clone. Now this might take a little while because this is copying all the pictures to the new listing. Perfect. And the listing is cloned. I can close, and now I have 2 of them over there. And you can clone the listings as many times as you want. If for some reason you don't want to show the listing on the site anymore, you can just click deactivate. And now the listing will live in the expired section, and you can activate them again at any time. Now, availability management. If you want to adjust the number of spots you're selling, if you sell the course through the platform, it will adjust automatically. But if you sell the course through your own channels and you don't want to offer 3 spots anymore on the platform, press minus, and it will adjust for you. Now let's talk a little bit about the booking process. So each step of the process, you will get a notification. So if there's any action required of you, you'll get a notification on your email. But the first step is that the client sends you a booking request. You'll get notified. You can either approve or reject it. And then the client has 24 hours to confirm the reservation with obligation to pay. And on that 3rd step, if the client confirms, we will connect you directly over email so you can finalize the booking using your invoicing process. Now, how it looks in your dashboard. So when you receive the booking request, it will come to the pending folder. So in the pending folder, the client sends you the booking request. You can check all the details. You can send them a message if you want to communicate with them. And then you can either reject or approve the booking. If you reject the booking, the client will get notified. If you approve the booking, they will get notified as well. Now, when you click approve, then the booking will move to approved folder and the client will get notified, and they'll have 24 hours to finalize the booking. So client will confirm with obligation. That booking will now live in confirmed, and the platform will connect you directly with the client over email so that you can finalize the booking and payment using your regular invoicing process. Now, throughout the process, you will get notified over email if there is any action required of you, or you can always check in your provided dashboard as well. If you encounter any problems or have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email anytime, and I'll try and reply ASAP. Thank you so much.